Alright, so in the year 2023, there was a huge leap or huge rise in content creation or content creators, and one of the biggest hindrance was having a YouTube studio. But in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can create this kind of fake YouTube studio, and you can use it for all your videos right now, and then you can actually do it using your phone or your PC. And with that being said, let's get into the video. Hey guys, welcome back to this particular channel. I thought of a better way to start off 2024, and then I just feel I should actually make this video for you guys. And please, before going into this video, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and share this video. Comment down in the comment section, ask me any question, and if you're new here, just drop it in the comment section. Just let me know in the comment section so I can actually welcome you. Thank you very much, and let's get into that screen. Hey fam, so welcome to my screen right here, and the first thing you need to do is just to get a background image. So first of all, you go to this website called freepik.com. This is freepik.com. So you just come here right now, you search for YouTube, or you just search for anything you want to search for, right? So guys, I guess this is the one I'll be going for this particular image. So you just click on it. So as you can see it here, you just click on it and then you click on download. Alright guys, so that's the first method of getting a background image. The second one is using this particular AI platform or AI website, which is leonardo.art. After just go to leonardo.art on your browser and then go to create an account. Let's just click on create an account. So the easiest way to do it is just to use Google, obviously. So just click on Google and then click on any of your email. So you just pick a username right now, and then you select an interest. So I'm going to go in with stock images, and then you confirm that you're over 18, obviously. And then click on next. And that's it. So you just click on maybe later, and then after that you just come here to say create new image. Before that, you'll be saying that you have 150 coins. These coins would actually be reset in 24 hours, around 19 to 24 hours every single day. So you can create from around 15 images, if I'm not mistaken, every single day. Let's click on write a prompt, and then we're going to be writing a prompt for this to actually create an image. All right, so as you can see here, these are the images that have been created by this Leonardo platform. So these are the ones that are available right now, and you can actually use anyone from this AI platform. So the next thing we need to go to, or the next platform we need to use, is obviously your editing platform, which right here we're going to be using CapCut. So this is the interface you've created with, first of all, when you open up CapCut, and you just click on import right now, and then you go to that particular image you just downloaded. This is the image right here, and then you just click on open. So after that, you just drag it down to the timeline. This is called the timeline. Yeah, so you drag it to the timeline, and then you increase it. You drag this space, that is this, not here but here, you drag this end to, you just be looking at this space, right? Okay, you see this is the space here you should be looking at here. So you should drag it to at least how long you want to record. How long you want the video to be, sorry. All right guys, so the next thing you need to do is just to add your video, your main video. So this is our video right now. We're just going to be dragging it and dropping right here. So first of all, you click and then you open, and you just drag it right here. Okay, so this is the video right now, as you can see here. So the next thing you need to do is just to go to cutout here, go to cutout, and then you click on auto cutout. Alright guys, so as you can see here, the background has been removed, but as you can see there are some greenish accents right here. So to remove it, you just click on your video right here, the video footage. Then you go to HSL right here, and then this is where it's going to be. You just come here to green, then you reduce the saturation, you reduce it to your own taste, right? So yeah, as you can see here, there's no green right here again. All right, fam. So as you can see right here, the picture, the video is actually pretty nice already. As you can see here, we are already done, so you can just edit it to your taste. Just cut out this one to your taste basically, and yeah, you can export it, edit it to your taste, edit what you want to edit. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down in the comment section, tell me anything you want to tell me. I'm down there asking questions. I'll be chatting with you guys. Please also visit my social handles, my Instagram, my TikTok, and also Facebook, Twitter also, or X. Thank you very much for watching. All the links are going to be down in the description box below. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you when you see me. Peace.